One book that we chose for our third grade space unit is Margaret and the Moon, How Margaret Hamilton Saved the First Lunar Landing, written by Dean Robbins and illustrated by Lucy Neasley. We chose this book because it tells the true story of Margaret Hamilton, who wrote the code for the Apollo missions that got the astronauts to the moon. The book is super informative, but it's also entertaining. The illustrations are bright and help add to the story. For example, they show the computers. They allow students to get a full understanding of how computers looked back in the day compared to now because they might not understand how complicated they were back in the 1960s. We think this book is perfect for third grade because it starts to introduce them technical language like software engineer and coding, but it defines them seamlessly in an accessible way. Significant facts in this book are how far the moon is from the Earth, how long the moon's orbit is around the Earth, and the moon's circumference. There's also a huge illustration of all of the constellations and their corresponding names. Obviously, this isn't covered in third grade, but it's still really cool to see. The book is super well organized and it follows the chronological order of Margaret's life. I think that this book is super important to show students because it not only gives them a positive role model, but it shows what women can do in the STEM field. You know, everyone knows Neil Armstrong and how he was the first person to walk the moon, but no one even knows Margaret Hamilton's name, so I think she's definitely underrated. The last page of the book is a longer biography, goes more in detail about her life. It says things like her education, her accomplishments, and her life after NASA. There's also pictures of the real Margaret, and these were the inspirations for the illustrations. So there's like corresponding illustrations for this one and this one in the book, which is really neat. Although this book does not go into complete detail about her life, it does a great job introducing the story of a true pioneer.